Are you looking for a way to add 2 videos on top of one screen? Don't worry, this video is for you. In this video, I will break down step-by-step tutorials on how to add 2 videos to show on one screen at once. Okay, so stay connected as we dive into the tutorial now. So if you are new in this channel and miracle update, in this channel I teach video editing tutorials and editing mistakes you should avoid to keep your video look professional. Okay, so if that sounds like what you want, kindly hit the subscribe button and stay connected. So let's get started now. So we are going to use ucall to achieve this. Open the app, click on the plus icon, then go to new project. Import the first video you want to display on the screen. Okay, so I will import a random video for the purpose of this tutorial. So this is the first video I want to use. Then I will now add the second video and I will split it in this same screen. Okay, so both of them will be showing at once. So this is a simple method to do that. So slide to PIP. PIP means picture in picture. Okay, it can be called overlay. So click on it, then import the second video clip. Wait, this is where the magic comes. So after importing it, slide, you will see fill. Click on fill to fill it to the screen. Then use your thumb to drag this one down, the one we overlaid. Drag it down. So once you drag it down like this, then the next thing you should do is slide back. You will see mask. Click on the mask, then click on line mask. Click on this inverse button over here to inverse the mask. So use your thumb and position it where you want it to start appearing. Okay, so after doing that, then don't touch anywhere again. After doing that, click on the check mark to save your work. So can you see how these 2 videos are playing in one screen? So this is a very wonderful video editing trick you will not like to miss. Okay, so this is how you can basically add 2 videos to show on one screen. Okay, so you can also rotate this. Let me show you another trick. Go to mask. You can also rotate this to this way depending on the part you want to show in the video. Can you see? This is another effect. Can you see it? You can even add 2 or more videos to this one to make it 5 videos or 10 videos depending on what you are trying to create. Okay, so you can do it this same way. Okay, let me import another video and show you an example. I'll import this same video, then I'll click on fill to fill it to the screen. Now I'll go to mask. Then this case I'm going to use rectangle mask. Then I'll decrease it. After decreasing it, then click on check mark. Can you see it? Can you see the effect?
Consistency is the key to your success.
Can you see? It is now video playing. You can also add another one over here, and you can also play with the mask tools, okay, to create a dynamic video. Alright, so if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more content tips like this. Okay, and also try to turn on the notification bell so that when I drop amazing video like this, you will be the first person to get notified. Okay, so thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.